Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the weekend. December 19th, 2020. Tyler Hayes here. 10:56. Coming to you from West Ladysmith. We have the L519 just starting duty and is actually coming to my position right now at West Ladysmith. 5690 will lead westbound, and then we'll have SD60. 5463 trail second. Let's check them out as we lean back and get them. Here we go. See you in 5690. So they're going to pause here to get the conductor back on their train. So we'll hang tight for now and wait for something new to happen. The conductor must have got back on the train just in time. So off they roll westbound to start work on the Baron. There's the last 519 GATX 203 362. What's that? That'll do it for today's L519 for now. Now I'll have to wait for it to make the comeback eastbound with the 5463. To come back eastbound. Otherwise, that's gonna do it here at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. We'll see you down the main line. From West Ladysmith, Tyler Hayes out.